Dr. SNS College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to discuss about the case study. So our class students will explain the case study. So our problem statement is online course registration sometimes crashes in peak registration period. So our students will explain the case study. Let's see.
I am Gopi Krishnan. I am here to empathize this problem. We can have user interviews like interviewing the students and teachers on how the website crashes during these peak hours. We can use usage analytics to check the system on how the system crashes during these hours, and we can create some surveys to let the students give their feedbacks on how the system crashes.
I am Kritika. I am going to define this process. First, we must create a persona for a student, example Alexa, and we must collect the data, and we must provide the needs and goals of the students. Then we are going to design a scalable and user-friendly registration system that reduces the wait time and crashes and.
So I am Vijay Sarthi. According to the problem statement and empathize and define, we are going to create some ideas for the problem statement. So at first we want to take some brainstorming session. Actually from the brainstorming results, we have some cloud infrastructure interface for more storage and reliability. So we are using virtual machines in the back end, and we are going to use caching and content delivery networks for faster loading time. The caching system will also stop or reduce the network traffic in our app, and then intuitive course catalog interface with filtering and recommendation features. The intuitive course catalog interface we are going to design according to the suggestions and feedbacks. Let's see in the testing progress. We are going to take some feedbacks. So the catalog will be designed according to the user feedbacks of the users, and then real-time course availability updates. So the real-time course availability updates are going to be one of the best things, because we are going to give some filtering options for the users. We will filter the courses according to their preferences, and then integration with student information system for seamless authentication. So integration for the student information system, like we are going to get some student informations like their place, location details, names, etc. And then for seamless authentication, like that we are going to grab some details from the students for the authentication, because we want to know the one who logging in is a student or a faculty. So we are providing two login systems. So this is the idea, and let's see about the prototype by Nirav.
Done. Low fidelity prototype create wireframe of the new system, include a registered course catalog interface. High fidelity prototype, develop a functional prototype, a scalability architecture and user friendly framework interface.
I am King David. I am going to elaborate about the testing for the prototype that you have made. So basically I have divided the testing process into 4 types. First type is the user testing. In the user testing we can test the prototype according to the students, faculties and administration. We can give the prototype to these people, and we are asking them to test for a while. The second process is the load testing. In the load testing, everyone as well as the user and the students both are given the prototype to test, and we are asking them for the feedback. Next process is the feedback process. According to the users, how the prototype have tested, they will be giving their feedbacks. So according to the feedback, we can improve other things. So lastly, we have to iterate the process. With the 3 steps involved, we have to conclude the iterative step. So repeatedly we have to check and test. When the product is finally over, we can process. Thank you.